airflow plays a crucial role in determining an engine's performance. The way air moves through an engine directly affects its power, efficiency, and overall responsiveness. Even minor adjustments to the airflow system, such as optimizing intake paths or upgrading filters, can lead to noticeable improvements. These small modifications often enhance combustion, resulting in better fuel economy and increased horsepower. Understanding and managing airflow is a key factor in unlocking an engine's full potential. The valve bowl area is a crucial part of an engine's cylinder head, located just beneath the intake and exhaust valves. Its primary function is to guide and regulate the flow of air and fuel mixture into the combustion chamber. The shape and size of the valve bowl directly influence how efficiently the mixture enters the chamber, impacting engine performance and fuel efficiency. By optimizing airflow, the valve bowl helps ensure thorough mixing of air and fuel, which is essential for effective combustion and power generation. Airflow restrictions in the valve bowl are often caused by uneven surfaces, sharp edges, or buildup of carbon deposits. These obstacles disrupt the smooth passage of air and fuel mixture, leading to reduced engine efficiency and power output. By addressing these restrictions, such as smoothing out rough areas and removing deposits, airflow becomes more streamlined. This improvement allows the engine to breathe more easily, resulting in better combustion and overall performance. Ultimately, optimizing airflow in the valve bowl can contribute to increased horsepower and improved fuel economy. Carbide ball and oval burrs are specialized rotary tools designed for precision shaping and smoothing of materials. Their robust carbide construction allows them to maintain sharpness and durability, even when working with tough surfaces. The rounded shapes of ball and oval burrs make them particularly effective for bowl blending, as they can easily follow curved contours and reach into recessed areas. This versatility ensures a smooth, even finish, making these burrs a preferred choice for artists and craftsmen seeking high-quality results. When working with carbide burrs for porting, safety should always be a top priority. It is essential to wear safety goggles or a face shield to protect your eyes from flying debris and metal shavings. Hearing protection is recommended, as the tools can be quite loud during operation. Gloves can help shield your hands from sharp edges, but make sure they do not interfere with your grip or control. Additionally, wearing a dust mask or respirator is advisable to avoid inhaling fine particles generated during the process. Begin by organizing your workspace to ensure safety and efficiency. Clear the area of any unnecessary items and gather all the tools you'll need, such as grinders, safety goggles, and gloves. Next, securely mount the cylinder head on a stable surface, making sure it won't move during the process. Thoroughly clean the cylinder head to remove any dirt, oil, or debris that could interfere with your work. Finally, inspect the head for any damage or irregularities before starting the bowl blending procedure. To begin the bowl blending process, a carbide ball or oval burr is selected for its ability to smoothly shape and refine surfaces. The tool is gently guided along the inner contours of the bowl, using steady, even pressure to ensure a consistent finish. Careful attention is paid to overlapping each pass, which helps eliminate any visible ridges or tool marks. The process continues methodically until the entire surface is uniformly blended, resulting in a smooth and polished appearance. This technique is especially effective for achieving seamless transitions and a professional quality finish. Maintaining control while working in the bowl area is essential for achieving a smooth, consistent finish. Start by keeping your tool rest close to the workpiece and using light, steady pressure. Move your tool in slow, deliberate passes, allowing the cutting edge to do the work without forcing it. Regularly check your progress and make minor adjustments to your technique as needed. Consistent speed and gentle movements will help you avoid chatter and ensure an even surface throughout the bowl. Knowing when enough material has been removed is crucial to achieving the desired result without compromising the integrity of the project. Pay close attention to the original specifications or guidelines and regularly assess your progress against these benchmarks. Common mistakes include removing too much, which can weaken the structure or functionality, or not removing enough, leaving the work incomplete. To avoid these pitfalls, proceed gradually, checking your work at each stage. Consistent measurement and careful observation are key to ensuring accuracy and avoiding unnecessary errors. By using this quick bowl blending trick, you can expect noticeable improvements in airflow. Typically, gains range from 20 to 30 cubic feet per minute, or CFM. This increase can enhance engine performance by allowing more air to move efficiently through the intake. Even such modest improvements in airflow can contribute to better combustion and overall responsiveness. It's a simple adjustment that often yields measurable results. In summary, implementing this straightforward modification has shown measurable improvements in engine performance. The results indicate increased efficiency, smoother operation, and a noticeable boost in power output. By optimizing key components with minimal changes, the engine operates more effectively without the need for extensive upgrades. This approach demonstrates how even small adjustments can lead to significant gains in overall performance and reliability. This simple technique offers a practical way to achieve noticeable results with minimal effort. By following these steps, anyone can incorporate it into their daily routine. Remember, consistency is key to seeing the best outcomes. Give it a try and see how it works for you. With a little practice, you may be surprised by how effective it can be.